market is full of AI coding tools, so which one should you pick? If you've ever wished you could turn an idea into a polished web application without touching a single line of code, then you need Lovable. Lovable.dev. Why Lovable might be exactly the thing you need is because this particular tool is known for becoming a favorite for beginners and builders alike. Lovable has a clean, intuitive interface and blazing fast AI-powered front-end generation. I've gone through public reviews of Lovable and I noticed that many individuals praise Lovable for being significantly faster, like 20 times faster than traditional coding. Lovable handles everything from React plus Tailwind scaffolding to Supabase integration and live deployment. Users claim that it's more than just a site builder, it's a full stack platform designed to move with your ideas. Lovable has already hit 30,000 paying customers and raised funding at a 1.5 billion valuation. 1.5 billion. Acclaims and reviews aside, I want to test this platform myself. Nothing speaks more than my own experience. Let's jump straight into it. Let's dive deep. I'm going to log into my account. If you don't have yours, feel free to create one. The interface is minimalist and straightforward. There are two options here, public and workplace. You can clearly see the difference here. Okay, I'm going to ask Lovable what it can build for me. What kind of web application can you create for me? This is what Lovable claims to be able to do. It can help me build a wide range of modern web apps, from CRMs and dashboards to e-commerce sites, blogs, and even simple games using React, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and Shadcn and UI components. Projects come with responsive layouts, interactive charts, clean UI, and smooth animations. Everything can be customized visually or through prompts with GitHub Sync enabling real-time code edits. For features like user accounts, data storage, or third-party integrations, Supabase provides a simple backend solution with minimal setup. You can describe your idea and it generates a fully functional, production-ready app. All right, let's build something cool. How about we build a web app with an advanced search feature that would search meals by ingredients? I found this free recipe API online. Let's ask Lovable to help us build the app. We have quite a bit of tasks, so let's begin. Create a minimalist meal app called Shark Meals. Lovable is now working and we can see progress. Look at this, in less than 30 seconds, I now have a preview of my app. And the look is just what I wanted. I wanted a minimalist looking app and I got one. Let's see if it actually works. When I type, my text is the same color as the search bar, which is white. I can't see anything. Let's fix this quickly and let's add a sign up form. Also, I want all of my users to sign up first prior to using the application. Change the font color to black instead of white. Also, require all users to register before using the app. Implement the sign up and sign in function. Lovable is changing the font color and adding the authentication functionality. To store all the data correctly, we will then connect to Supabase. The font has been changed. The app seems to be working too. Let's type in potato. Look, it's working. I can see all these dishes right here. Now, Lovable is asking if I want to connect to Supabase. Well, we do have sign up, sign in functionality. Because of that, it is essential for us to store all these users' data. Let's go ahead and give Lovable the green light so that it can proceed with the Supabase integration. Yes, connect to Supabase. Okay, I'm given the instructions to click on the green button, the Supabase icon, and enable authentication. Supabase will automatically set up email password authentication. Let's do it. Let's click on the logo, connect Supabase one more time, authorize Lovable, and the connection is successful. Let's click continue and connect. Supabase is now connected. Let's close this window. I still don't see sign up, sign in. Let's ask Lovable about it. Now, how do I access sign up, sign in? Where is it in the app? Okay, Lovable acknowledged that the authentication is not implemented yet, and it's fixing it now. And several seconds later, it is ready. I click on sign up, use my credentials for the account, and I am signed in. The layout is a bit off. Let's fix that. I am simply going to take a screenshot of this section and will ask Lovable to fix it. Fix these layout imperfections. Lovable is fixing the header layout problems, the logo positioning. Okay, now it looks way better, more kosher, I would say. Let's test the app. I'm going to type potato, then chicken. Look at these dishes. How about beef? Perfect. The app seems to be working. Now I would like to upload this project to my GitHub repository. Let's ask Lovable how to do it. I'd like to upload this project to my GitHub repository. How can I do it? Boom. The instructions seem to be clear. I'm going to click on this GitHub icon, then connect GitHub. Now I'm going to sign into my GitHub account and authorize Lovable, install and authorize, continue, and connect. Perfect. This is my repository. Let's now publish this project and test this web app's functionality in live mode. There are options to keep it under this default URL or link it to a custom domain. I'll keep it simple for you, but perhaps in one of my upcoming videos, we'll dive into more specifics when it comes to custom domains and other advanced features. Anyway, let's click on publish. Boom. And here is the app with the live URL. Let's try to log in again. Perfect. The app is working. Here's what it looks like on the desktop. Look at this layout. Minimalist and simple, just the way I like it. The app is also mobile friendly. It is responsive. Cool. Here's what I think about Lovable. There is one very distinct difference between this tool and similar tools on the market, and it has to do with perfectionism. First, I didn't experience any major issues with the AI agent. It did everything quickly and it understood my requests. It did not hallucinate a single time, which made me complete all tasks quickly and finish this tutorial in figuratively no time. Second, these guys simplified and automated everything. They made even relatively complex tasks such as connecting to Supabase and GitHub as easy as clicking one button. The platform itself and third-party services integrated in such a smooth and professional way that it feels light, and using Lovable is just a pleasure. It's fast, it's simple, it's minimalist, and it has everything you need to turn your business idea into a money-making machine. With Lovable, you can surely build an e-commerce site or a service provider app with barely any effort. It's just your big idea and creative approach that matter. Everything else can be handled by Lovable, and you could try this SaaS tool for free. The free plan includes 5 daily credits, and if you decide to upgrade, it's just $25 a month for the Pro plan and $30 a month for the Teams plan. You can find all the details on the Lovable website. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If so, leave your comments and share your thoughts in the comment section. I'm done for now, and I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.